Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can connect your bank account to QuickBooks Self-Employed account. So there are two places where we can connect to bank account. Either we can go through transactions and there is green button called connect account, or we can go through settings section and under transactions very first option is connect bank. From here, QuickBooks already provides 8 most commonly picked up or chosen financial institutions. If yours is not on list on this one, don't worry. Search in a box by typing details of your bank account. In my case, I will select Lloyd's bank account. On this screen, it provides information that steps that after when you will connect to your bank, you will be brought back to QuickBooks Self-Employed account. So click continue. Here you are giving consent to Intuit, who are the makers or developers of QuickBooks Self-Employed, for 90 days to collect information about your account transactions, and account features and benefits. Click on agree. If you don't agree, click on don't agree. So agree. And here is a pop-up box with linking to your bank account. So in my case, this is Lloyd's business account. Fill in details how you would do if you would log on in your bank account. And once you will connect, this pop-up message will be closed and you will be brought back to your QuickBooks Self-Employed account. In this episode, I showed you how you can connect your bank account to your QuickBooks Self-Employed account. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickBooks Self-Employed tutorial as well as a review of this accounting software. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.